Hey fam, welcome back to House Hunting with Rochielin. Today we are in Montego Bay again, and I am at the Lagoons, which is an upscale neighborhood here in Montego Bay, and we're gonna be viewing a 2-bedroom loft with bathroom, living, kitchen. It is amazing views, and let me tell you, the views are phenomenal, right? And this community is an upscale community with 24-hour security, pool, gym, tennis court, football court, and there's all the amenities that you'll ever need when you're in Montego Bay. It's very close to the airport, very close to Fairview Shopping Mall and the other malls, and it's just right in the smack of things. So if you're looking to come to Montego Bay, in Montego Bay, close to Montego Bay, and you need a place to stay that feels home away from home, then this may just be the place for you. So definitely stick around, and before we get into the video, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Rochielin, and let's get into the video. Let's go. So come on in. All right, so we enter in the kitchen, which I'm just taken away by because I'm loving the countertops with this glass that is inside. It looks very glittery, very girly, very modern, very me, and white cabinetry, you know, a lot of storage, and it's outfitted with plates and cups and kettle and a toaster, stove and a microwave, a refrigerator, and everything that you'll need when you're staycationing or when you're at an Airbnb and you need to feel like you're at home, right? You have the double door fridge. Well, this time it's not even double doors, it's double door up top and 2 down bottom, so you have the whole thing. And then we have a little dining area, a little nook, and as you can see, it is beautifully decorated with paintings all over and the fanciest of clocks. So when we get upstairs, we're gonna see another fancy clock that I'm just like, wow, it's amazing. Prior to this video, I have 2 other videos with 2 units in the same community in the Lagoon. One is a 1-bedroom, so if you're looking for something smaller and cheaper, you can check that one out. And it's another 2-bedroom that's on the ground floor. This one is on the 3rd floor, so you have the option between, you know, all 3. So let's get into the living room, and this is pretty much it. It's this very nice leather couch, and again you have a beautiful painting towards the back. And you know, we can't do without our air conditioning unit because it does get hot sometimes, even though in Montego Bay it's very windy because you're just right off the sea, so you get all that wind, which is always amazing. Over here you have your LG flat screen TV to use at your leisure when you're not outside in the water swimming away and having all the fun in the world. All right, and this is basically the living space. It's minimal, modern, what we would like in 2021. And I'm gonna enter into the balcony area right now, and you see you have a little table and chair set that you can come out and sit and relax, and you have the most amazing view you could ever ask for in Montego Bay. You're seeing the other islands out there, you're seeing the boats that pass by, and you're just feeling all this wind, and you're just like, oh my god, why did I not choose to come here all this time? So yeah, you also have the pool. If you look down, you can see the pool area that you can go to when you just need a little dip. Right now it's a little dirty, it's gonna be cleaned shortly, but don't you worry, don't let that deter you. Let's go back inside, and we're gonna enter into the 1st bedroom with a nice queen size bed beautifully decorated, nice and modern, lots of painting, lots of natural light so that you can feel inside and outside all at the same time. Any stress you have in this life, you just leave it right here, look out, and it's gone. Amazing. You have access to the balcony from your bedroom, so if you want to be on the inside looking out or you want to be on the outside looking out, it's your choice. You have another LG flat screen TV to watch and storage just beneath. Around here you have a mirror, a standing mirror, and of course, you know, especially as ladies like to look at ourselves, so we have the option of, you know, titivating and going in the mirror and looking and like, all right, you know, just before we head out. And then we have this hallway, and in the hallway is the closet area. So we do have a lot of storage here. And as we come down to the passageway, there's a washer dryer unit, so you do get to do laundry while you're here. You don't have to worry about taking back all the dirty clothes back to wherever you're coming from. You wash it before you leave. And then a shower, standing shower for you to use. Very nice shower head, nice and modern. It just makes you want to bathe all the time when you're in here. Very nicely decorated. And you know it has a sink, mirror, the toilet, and the shower. It's a regular bathroom, but very nicely decorated. So let's go. Alright, so we're back in the living room, but we're not staying in the living room. We're actually going upstairs because remember I mentioned that it's kind of a loft style apartment. It's a 2-bedroom apartment. So we're going up the stairs. And as we get upstairs, we have a balcony view. So you do have another balcony for yourself. You get to see the very nicely teal water, the Caribbean Sea that surrounds the island of Jamaica. Guys, I am just loving this, and it's just so windy. Like the sun is out, it is hot. It is actually 28 degrees Celsius today. It's nice and hot, but it's also nice and cool because it's windy. That's what I like about Montego Bay. Anyway, and here's a little sitting waiting area when you get here. So you have a living room downstairs, but you also have, could call it a second living room or like a waiting area, sitting area, chill spot. It could even be where you eat, whatever you choose to do. Very nicely decorated as well. It has the wooden looking tiles. It has this beautiful chair that I'm so in love with. It's leather. It's very comfortable, very chic. I'm loving it, everything about it. So while we're here, I want to remind you about the Own Your Own Device program that has been put on by the Ministry of Education here in Jamaica. And this is where they are donating 20,000 Jamaican dollars towards the purchase of a tablet for an eligible child to aid in their online learning. So as long as you meet the following criteria, then you should be able to receive this $20,000. So the criteria is as follows. As the parent, you should have a valid TRN, tax registration number. The child should have a valid SRN, which is a student registration number. As a parent, your annual income should not surpass 500,000 Jamaican dollars. The child should not already be a PATH beneficiary, and then there's one application per household. If you've met all those requirements, then you need to head over to the ministry's website at oyod.educate.gov.jm and apply today. As soon as you're accepted, you'll be given a call and you'll receive your $20,000 towards the purchase of the tablet. Now, when you get that $20,000 voucher, you can only use it at specified vendors across Jamaica. One of which is Smart Mobile Solutions, SMS, and they're located at 12 Ruthven Road in Kingston, Jamaica. When you get that $20,000, head over to SMS fast and tell them that Rochielin sent you so that you can get a discount on the purchase of your tablet. The only way you can get a discount is if you go to SMS like quick and fast. hurry up and do it during the week of the 22nd of March as soon as you can. As soon as you get it, head over there. You will get your rochielin discount. All right, I'm looking out for Uno, so hurry up and do what you need to do. It has this beautiful chair that I'm so in love with. It's leather. It's very comfortable, very chic. I'm loving it, everything about it. And then the coffee table is also very chic. The owner definitely put some effort into decorating this space very nicely. I must give them that. Very nice art all over. And let's look at this lighting fixture over here. The cutest. Can I get a wow? And then this painting. Can I get another wow? Alright, so we head into the bedroom area. Again, very modern fixtures. If you're a dog lover, you love this room. There are 3 paintings of 3 dogs. And let's talk about the wooden backsplash. It's very unusual, and I like how it breaks up the space. So it's not just one color all around, but there are different elements that are working in the space, and I think it ties in so beautifully. Over here we have another window for you to see the world. You see this amazing view again through the window. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. And you also have access to the balcony from the bedroom. So you get to get the outside again, and then you get to go back on the inside and just enjoy. Then we move over here. There is a very big mirror for you to look at yourself and admire yourself and give yourself the morning motivation and affirmation and all the wonderful things in the world. And this area, general area, is closet. So you get to hang your stuff, pack your stuff, put away your suitcase, all of that. You have fresh linen over here, fresh towels, fresh pillows. You get to put stuff there, and then we enter into the bathroom. And again, there's a shower, standing shower in here with modern pipes and shower. Look at this. Let's talk about the tiling in here overall. It's very cute. And then the faucet here, and the sink area, very chic. Remember I had mentioned the fancy clock downstairs with the big 5. Now look at this clock just above the air conditioning unit. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. I think that's so cool. Call me crazy. So let's head back this way and let's head back downstairs. And let's sit back in the couch and talk for a little minute. Alright, so as I said before, and as you saw, it is a 2-bedroom unit with 2 bathrooms, a living, well, 2 living rooms, kitchen, and a little area for eating. There are 2 balconies. You have this amazing view. You're in an amazing community that has 24-hour security. On the property there are 2 tennis courts, football field, gym, recreational area for the family and for the kids, pool areas. Just being close to the airport and close to everything, right in the smack of things. And then the apartment is beautifully decorated, very comfortable. It's on the 3rd floor. What more could you ask for? This is it, guys. The cost for this unit is $268 per night. It's for short-term rental. So if you're coming to Jamaica, you're looking for Airbnb space, you're looking for a space to come with your friends, you don't want to be in a hotel may be a little more expensive. This is a lot more cost effective for you. $268 $3,000 per night, and if you're gonna stay for a long term, $3,000 for the month. The owner's details are in the description bar below, so if you are interested, definitely reach out to them, let them know that Rochielin sent you. I want to say a big thank you for making it to this point of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me at Rochielin on Instagram and Twitter. And without further ado, I'm gonna close off the video right here, and I'm gonna say see you next time.